Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a haul for you guys. I actually went on to Taobao about 1.5 months ago. All in all, the entire process took about 3 weeks, so I don't recommend Taobao if you have anything that you want to buy very urgently. This time, I actually tried to use Taobao Direct. I felt that, number one, it was slightly more confusing because it was all in Chinese and took me a long time to understand that I had to pay a certain amount of money in order to get it shipped. So I was just okay, very confused. But all in all, I felt like once you get the hang of it, once you kind of know the process and the services, I think it's actually quite easy. So let's see. This is a haul, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell. Let's begin. The first one is called QIANFANNI. QIANFANNI. I've got 2 packets of clothing. They're actually very nicely packed, you know, it looks very atas. Even the plastic bag feels quite high class. I ordered 3 items actually. Why I only got 2? This is a dress that costs 151 RMB. Oh no wonder I actually spent a lot of money. Wait, 454 is almost $100.
From this store?
Yes. So the first one, I ordered this dress. It's kind of like a Englishy kind of dress, like a tea dress. So I feel like I was very drawn to it because of the contrast, and it's V-neck. It has very puffy sleeves, but from the looks of it, it looks huge. Look at this is my shoulder. No, I spent $32 on this. Okay, the quality of it is actually really good, so I can't really complain. The next dress. Oh, this is actually really pretty. So these are embroidered roses, and it's from the same shop. It's a chiffon mesh thing with an inner lining. It's 3/4 length, so it's midi length. It's perfect for people who are slightly taller, I feel. If you're slightly small size or petite, you can wear it as a maxi dress. And I thought it was very cute, and it looked like a very statement kind of dress that I could wear on events and stuff. Same thing, they have this poofy sleeve, and at the back there's actually this tie string thing which you can just tie, and I think that makes it slightly adjustable to your size. This was also 151 RMB. I'm missing one dress from this shop, so fingers crossed it's somewhere in here. So this one is from Shangtianmao. So this one comes in a slightly less high quality packaging, as you already can feel, but I also got a cardboard. Fancy schmancy. This dress costs 98 RMB. It has sequins and very beautiful shiny sequin stars on them, if you guys can see. The inner lining is actually a very beautiful cream color as well that matches with this. So this one falls 3/4 sleeve and 3/4 length below the knee. I feel that it's a very girly dress, and it's pretty good. I would recommend this piece to you guys. There's this huge ass thing. I have no idea what this is. Ooh, another atas item. Guys, it comes with a freaking hanger inside. It's very atas. You know, it's like when you guys go to dry cleaning, right? It looks like they just took it out of a dry cleaners and they didn't bother, they just packed it in a box and sent it over to Singapore. I'm a bit scared to see how much I paid for it. Oh, I paid 99. So it's actually pretty good that they provide this kind of high quality packaging and service, and I can always reuse this bag and also the hanger. Okay, so I bought this white dress. Honestly, the material doesn't feel very expensive. It just feels like a typical kind of dress that you can get from Thailand for $10. Basically, it's gathered all over this side and the other side. So gathered on both sides, and you have a very drapey type of effect. So I just really wanted to find a dress that I can wear for my events as well, or just for a simple dinner date. Something that would look simple, classy, and elegant, and I think this is pretty nice. Next up, I'm sure I got a shoe. Ta-da! They're all quite nicely wrapped, and individual shoe comes with a shoe dust bag. Wow! I actually really like it. The quality of it seems pretty good. So I bought these type of kind of dressy casual sandals. They are strappy sandals with the square front, so it's quite iconic these days, this square front thing, and I really like it that the height is just this short. I've always wanted to look for shoes that I would be able to wear with my dresses, especially when I'm like overseas and I'm traveling. I wanted to look for something that is more girly and more dressy, and if you're looking for something like this, I think this shop actually does it pretty well. I paid 78 RMB for it. The quality is pretty good. If you guys can see, the seams are sewed on quite well. Everything is very clean and very nicely cut. You also feel quite sturdy, and I got it in this color that is a nudish almond color. Next shop, MOYILA. It's another pair of shoes. Ooh, okay. Well, this even comes with like a... Whoa! It actually comes with like insoles and like things to protect your feet. That's actually very nice. This pair of shoes, oh my gosh, I actually got it in the same color as the previous one. Evidently, I wasn't really thinking. It's kind of different because it's a wrapped around shoe. It's kind of the same height as well, low but still really classy. It's V pointed toe, so I really like pointed toe shoes because they elongate my legs a lot, and because this is entirely covered, it just gives it a very more like girly, a little bit more elegant and a slightly more formal kind of feel compared to the previous sandals. This one was 148 RMB, which is double the price of my sandals. You ask me, is it worth 2 times the price? I would say no, because the quality is not amazing or anything. And I guess for this shop, you're actually paying for the packaging and the after sales service and all that, which I would say, yeah, it's pretty worth the money considering like they gave you 2 pairs of insoles. What? Another pair of shoes. This one is from the brand. I really can't read it, so. Same thing, it comes in individual dust bag like this for your shoe. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I decided to buy like myself a pair of strappy heels, sandals type of thing with the clear see-through band. If you guys remember and follow me for long enough, you remember that I actually owned something like this before, but that one wore out, so I had to throw it away. And I decided to just buy myself this again. And I feel that the quality is actually really good. This was 153 RMB. I feel like $30 over is actually quite worth it because I don't see these type of like Perplexed heels that often. Oh no, but they're slightly small. They run small. Next up, we've got a small little puzzle. I'm guessing it's a piece of jewelry or something. Oh, what? This one is from this brand called DODO. So this one I paid 990 RMB, which was only $2. They come in like 2 little pearls pearl studs at the top, and they have like got a beige little ribbon and a small little pearl as well, and it's just very dainty and very nice. I really like it. I feel like the quality is, I mean, it's not the best, but for $2 it's actually really quite decent. Of course, when it came, it's like slightly bent. I don't know if you guys can see, but like this is slightly bent, but you can always just bend it back. It's not a big deal to me. What? I don't know what they look like dried cuttlefish. Maybe it's not supposed to be so scrunched up. It's supposed to be like kind of pulled apart. So these are actually like very rustic type of earrings. They are pretty big on my face. Compared to my face, they are very statement pieces as well. I would imagine them to be really nice with a simple, plain white or black dress, and if you have like your hair up, it will look very nice with this. So these were actually about $13 RMB. So they're actually pretty cheap still. This is actually a 3-piece necklace that you're supposed to layer them on together. The first layer is this like star-looking choker. The next layer has a very simple round gold pendant that looks like a chocolate that I used to eat during Chinese New Year. Lastly, there is a crescent. The jewelry feels a little bit flimsy. It's very plasticky, so it's not your typical high-end, very sturdy type of feel. Oh wow, this was $22.95. And over here I have one more. This is another star choker. It's the same one as just now. I think one of it is supposed to dangle and one of it is supposed to be a choker. Oh no, I thought it was much smaller. These are actually pearl hoops that looks like this. They're really big, like Check this out, guys. I'm just gonna wear it. I wish they were smaller, like from the picture. Yeah, from the picture it looks so nice and dainty. What? Okay, I feel so cheated right now. It's not good quality at all for sure, and I paid like 20 RMB for it, so yeah, felt like this was a waste of my money. But nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what type of videos you want to watch. Let me know what your Taobao best buys and fails, and of course Taobao tips, because honestly for me this is my first time shipping directly from Taobao, and I feel like it's very suay and unfortunate that one thing didn't, you know, come in here. So I'll let you guys know as well if I actually managed to get that black dress back. Fingers crossed I do. But nevertheless, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed my videos, do subscribe and join the fam, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!